Hello guys.
Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology blog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redeem Hola VPN discount coupon code. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button and turn on notification for regular updates. Without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, visit Hola VPN official site from the links provided in the description. You can also visit the site from the article also by clicking on the grab option. Then, you will find the interface as showing in the tutorial. Click on Get Hola VPN, and you are redirected to Plans and Pricing page. Hola VPN is available in 3 versions such as Pro, Premium, and Ultra. Payment can be made in monthly, yearly, and 3-year basis. But to avail our 50% special discount, you have to choose yearly payment. Click on Yearly, and then choose the version by clicking on it. It will take you to the payment page. Here, payment can be done using credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, and other like Gyro Pay. Here, I'm choosing credit card. Provide your details like email, card number, expiry date, CVV, and name on card. Just below to them, you will find an option as Do you have a promo code? Click on it, and a dialog box will open. Enter the coupon code displaying on the screen, and hit on Apply. After that, price difference will be displayed on the top of the payment options. Once check your details, and click on Place your order to complete the payment. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.